Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to use a built-in compass on the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. So in order to do that, go to your main menu, open up your settings. Now in your settings, you have to find your display tab. Here it is. Let's click on it. So here, scroll down until you find Edge Panel section. Turn the switch on. Make sure this feature is activated because without it you won't be able to pull the panel from the edge of the screen. Now click on Edge Panels. Here you can find the panels. Click on this tab. So here just scroll left and right, and here you can find your Tools tab. So let's click on the Tools. Now the tools are added to your edge panels. Now let's use the compass. Now let's activate our compass. So simply swipe from the edge of the screen, and now you see it's asking us to calibrate it. Just follow the simple instructions and calibrate it. Now, after you gave your access to location data and calibrated your compass, you can freely use it. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.